National Electrical Code Section 210.52c3 addresses receptacle placement for peninsular countertops and work surfaces. The key question is whether a receptacle is required on a peninsular counter, which is essentially a countertop extension open on two or more sides, often referred to as a half wall. The answer, according to the code, is yes, a receptacle outlet is required under specific conditions. Let's break down those conditions based on the dimensions of the peninsular countertop. A wall space is considered any space 2 feet or more in width. For peninsular countertops, at least one receptacle outlet must be installed where a long dimension of the countertop is 24 inches or greater and the short dimension is 12 inches or greater. This requirement ensures that electrical outlets are conveniently located along the countertop, reducing reliance on extension cords, which can create safety hazards. The receptacle must be located along the wall line. The receptacle outlet, or at least one receptacle outlet, shall be located within 12 inches of the top of the countertop or work surface. This makes the outlets readily accessible for plugging in appliances. It's worth noting some exceptions and considerations. Island countertops and peninsular countertops separated from a wall by more than 18 inches are treated differently. They must each have at least one receptacle outlet. The placement of receptacles must comply with general requirements for receptacle spacing and location in dwelling units. Receptacles should not be located where they are likely to be damaged or obstructed. The purpose of these rules is to improve the safety and usability of kitchens and similar areas. By having readily available receptacles, the risk of electrical shock and fire hazards can be significantly reduced. It's crucial to consult the most recent edition of the National Electrical Code for the most up-to-date information and any local amendments that might apply in your jurisdiction. To reiterate, if the peninsular countertop meets that dimension criteria, then yes, a receptacle is required.